We go now to a primetime news follow-up. Chairman of the Westmoreland and Hanover Cane Growers Association, Samuel Williams, is expressing disappointment that farmers were unable to reap their crops ahead of the closure of the sugar cane season. Pan Caribbean Sugar Company Limited stopped receiving sugar cane effective May 2.
On the 15th of April. That document was sent out from the 15th of March. So after coming up close to the 15th, we asked for extension, and they gave us another 15 days until the 30th.
Williams says the fallout will be severe.
From what we heard, that they would give us, that the crop will continue until the 10th. Yeah, we have a lot of farmers who did not finish their crop because of the weather conditions that exist, and the weather did not give us a good reaping season, and that caused a lot of farmers not to finish because we couldn't reap because the fields were saturated, and the equipment could not go in the fields, and we couldn't burn cane because of the consistent rainfall. So there are a number of factors that contributed to farmers not reaping off their canes.